The Kalstein Pet Bathtub is a professional, modern, and smart bathing station that offers a comfortable, efficient, and high-tech cleaning experience for small and large pets in any setting. Pet bathtub made of ABS and acrylic with a scratch-resistant solid surface. It features an ergonomic height that meets industry standards, allowing the animal to be bathed while standing, as well as a non-slip bottom surface. Hot and cold water, control valve with waterfall, and handheld shower options ensures complete water temperature management for comfortable and precise pet bathing experience. Hygienic waste discharge system with hair strainer prevents drain clogging, with unique design keeping inside of tub clean and preventing bacteria from exiting the pipes. External dimensions 106 by 54 by 55 centimeters and 90 by 68 by 95 centimeters, available in black and white. Massage jets and bubble system with pipe nozzles provide a luxurious spa experience for pets, offering relaxation therapy for anxious animals during bathing sessions. Tempered glass panel with touch computer edition control system manages all smart features including ozone sterilization, bubble bath, colored light, and surface massage functions. Manufactured in France with premium quality materials, every Kalstein equipment is engineered to deliver guaranteed performance, exceptional robustness, and outstanding French excellence for laboratories worldwide. Explore the complete Kalstein veterinary bathtubs catalog. Comfort, hygiene, and innovation for every professional pet, grooming, and veterinary need. Visit kalstein.net.